Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add cards to your YouTube video on PC. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. Navigate to the Content section, where you can manage and edit your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. Choose the specific video to which you want to add a card. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the video, click on the Details tab to access its settings and information. Step 5. On the right, click on Cards. Look for the Cards option on the right-hand side of the page and click on it. Step 6. Select the card you want to add. Choose the type of card you want to include in your video, such as a video or playlist card. Step 7. Click Save. After customizing the card settings, click the Save button to add the card to your video. By following these simple steps, you can effectively add cards to your YouTube video, enhancing viewer engagement and directing them to relevant content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.